Every kid learns at a very young age what to do in case of an emergency. You see a fire, you dial 911. After that, the first responder system kicks into gear. The type of the emergency and the location is quickly assessed. The local firehouse is alerted. The firemen are on the truck and out of the firehouse at light speed, and the truck takes the fastest route to the scene to put the fire out as quickly as possible. It's an incredible system that has saved a lot of lives. What most people don't know is that your body has its own first responder system, one that operates on a cellular level and keeps little fires from becoming big problems. Every day, we have cells that become damaged or die. When this happens, those cells need to be replaced quickly. The urgency is because the cells around them will start to work harder to make up for the lost functionality. This increased workload can cause them to burn out faster, so the cells around them start working harder. And just like that, you have a little fire starting to spread. Fortunately, our bodies have the ability to make their own biochemical 911 call. The call is routed to your bone marrow, the local firehouse, where your adult stem cells are alerted to the emergency and they spring into action. At light speed, they are out of the firehouse and onto the roads and highways of your circulatory system. They then take the fastest route to the scene of the fire. Once they arrive, the adult stem cells have the unique ability to replicate themselves and then transform themselves into whatever type of cell is required to replace the damaged or dead cells, thereby putting out the fire. For this reason, your adult stem cells are your body's first responder cells, responding to thousands of little fires every day that you are never aware of because they never get big enough to cause a problem or damage. Now, here's the dilemma. Even under ideal circumstances, your cellular first responder system may only operate at 100% efficiency until you reach the age of 20. After that, it becomes less efficient every single day. Your first responder cells are still ready and willing, but because of something in your bone marrow called L-selectin, many of them remain stuck in the firehouse and unable to get out onto the roads. By the age of 50, only about half of them may be able to respond. And by the age of 65, the response rate may drop down as low as 10%. Imagine that, a city where only 10% of the fires were put out. How long before those small fires become big fires? How long before your city burns down? Thankfully, we have Cerule. We are a reputable biotech company that offers a premium product line with the science and research to prove their efficacy. Each product works in synergy to optimize your first responder system. Our flagship product, StemEnhance Ultra, temporarily suspends the stickiness of L-selectin so that the firemen can get out of the firehouse and onto the roads. In some of our bodies, that only solves part of the problem. Once they are on the roads, they want to go as fast as possible. However, imagine a road filled with debris. This debris is the fibrin mesh that builds up over time, trapping red blood cells and slowing everything down. That's why we developed Plasma Flow, a product that is clinically proven to remove the debris and allow the firemen to move quickly to the location of the fire. But there can still be one final obstacle to overcome: roadblocks. Inflammation in the body can create roadblocks that prevent first responders from reaching their location. This means your first responder cells have to find an alternative route, if one even exists. This is where our product Cyactiv comes into play. Cyactiv is clinically proven to reduce whole body inflammation. It obliterates roadblocks, allowing your first responder cells to take the fastest and most direct route so that those small fires can be dealt with before they become a big problem or cause damage. Without question, everyone's body is unique. Therefore, what's needed to optimize your first responder system may be unique as well. Maybe your only issue is that your adult stem cells are stuck. Maybe they are stuck and you have debris. Whatever your combination is, we can help. Once you supply your body with the right combination of cerule products to optimize your first responder system, no more little fires becoming big fires. No more cities burning down. And you are not only on the road to feeling better, you are on the road to being better and becoming the best you.